Discussion board participation instructions. There are points possible in the amount of 10. Assignment overview. There are 15 modules in this UF200 course. For every module, you will be reading several documents and watching some videos that will provide you with information about a specific topic. You will then complete a module quiz. You also need to research and find one article, video, or news story per the instructions for that module and submit this in Blackboard. Once you have finished reading, watching videos, and completed the quiz and found your research, the next step is to participate in that module's discussion board. You must provide a total of at least 3 posts for each class discussion board. How to complete the assignment. Initial post, 2 answers to 2 questions. Go to the discussion boards in the Blackboard menu. Click on the appropriate module title to enter the discussion board. Find the 2 posts, usually at the bottom of the list, and look at the discussion leader articles, videos, and the summary, as well as the questions they have provided. Click on the orange Create Thread button to submit your answers. Your initial post should include an answer to 1 question from each discussion leader. If there is only 1 discussion leader, you just need to answer 2 questions from that person. You should also include a thoughtful discussion for each of the 2 questions you answered. A reasonable argument that supports your answers to those 2 questions. Here is where you can refer to the research you completed for that module. This first post should be about 200 words. Type directly into the discussion board. Be sure the title of your post includes the word answers and represents what you will be writing about. Use paragraphs to separate ideas. 1 long paragraph will cost you points. Minimum of 2 reply posts. Please try to reply to a post that has no more than 1 or 2 replies. Your reply should be about 100 words. You must reply to 2 other posts that are not connected to your post. Your replies must be thoughtful and connect what you have learned about this topic with what is written in the other posts. You must add to the conversation by referring to information in the post to which you reply. Saying only, "I agree with you," or "that was interesting," is not enough. You must describe why you agree or don't agree and discuss why you are interested, add to the conversation, and be sure to support your replies. Hint: there is no right or wrong answers to these questions. You may feel strongly about your answer, and you may disagree with someone else's answer or discussion. If you are confused by someone's answer or perspective, be sure to ask them to tell you more about that. The more you know about another person's perspective and why they have that view, the better the discussion and the more each of you will learn about both the topic and yourselves and each other. Grading. As your instructor, I will be reading through the discussions as they progress. I might add a comment to the discussions. Participation points in the discussion board is worth 10 points. Your points are based on answering 2 questions, 1 from each discussion leader, using about 200 words per answer. Utilizing your research in your answer. Providing thoughtful replies using 100 words per reply. Submitting your first post by 11:59 p.m. on Wednesdays and submitting your reply post by 9 a.m. on Fridays. Posting the required number of times. Your initial post of 2 answers plus 2 replies to other students' posts equals a total